Good evening, my name is NAFISA and today I would like to present a project description about this assignment. Start with the specification is to generate the renewable energy for the household consumption, and second, to promote the participation in the NEM Rakyat program, and lastly, the system capacity only 4 kilowatt and the start of the project is 1 January 2024. The objective of this project is to reduce a reliance on grid supply electricity by encouraging self-sufficiency in power generating. Secondly, to promote an adoption for the solar energy starting at our residential level. And lastly, the aim is to use the green energy source to contribute to environmental sustainability. Basically, the scope over we will divide by 4, which is starting with the rooftop preparation for last longer at 10 years, and secondly, the installation of the solar PV system, and followed with the testing and commissioning. And next is a customer satisfaction which meet their expectation, and lastly, it is provide a support such as a troubleshooting and maintenance after the installation.
Hi, my name is Ryan. Today I would like to talk about the work breakdown structure WBS for the installation of the 4 kW PV panel on the residential house. The first activity involved is set up a special committee to discuss and conduct installation for the 4 kW rooftop panel on the residential house. Secondly, define the project goals and expectation. Third, have a go through a site assessment. Next, carry out a flexibility financial study. Next, create a detailed PV system layout. Next, have a training introduction for the installation team. Next, gather all the solar PV panel components. Next, installation of electricity meter as well as data collection. Next, we have permit insurance. Next, documentation and compliance. Next, we have the NET registration. Next, we will fix the solar panel on the rooftop. Next, we have testing and commissioning before giving to the customer. Next, we'll get the stakeholder feedback for improvement. And lastly, we have a post-installation with monitoring and maintenance. I would like to move on with the budget estimation and the resources requirement. The total budget that is involved is 30,651.30 cents. The highest involved is actually the 4 kilowatt solar panel as well as the solar power inverter. Next, I would like to talk about the linear responsibility chart. There are few categories of responsibility given to each phase. As you can see, R stands for responsibility, A stands for accountability, I stands for inform, and C stands for consultant. So you can see from the list where special committee are the most responsible for the whole entire project. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much, and I would like to pass to my next member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is ANISAH SOLEHAH. I will explain AON diagram for our project. AON diagram shows earliest start time, earliest finish time, late start time, late finish time, slack, critical path, and the minimum duration to complete the project. Example, earliest start time of activity A is 0 and earliest finish time, which is 7 days. The table here shows the slack for each activity. The slacks for each activity according to the AON diagrams is 0. It indicates that all activity is finished on time. Based on the AON diagram, the critical paths for our project are C, D, E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, O. According to AON diagrams, there is no minimum stage to complete the projects since the project is still ongoing. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is CHAO. So now I would like to present the Gantt chart of the part of our project. The slide shows the timeline of the installation of the rooftop solar PV system for a residential house under the NEM. The duration for the whole entire project is start from the 1st January 2024 until 30 April 2024. It takes around 87 days to complete it. Based on our consideration, it was able to complete all the tasks in the deadline. At the first, we need to conduct a discussion for the installation solar system and define the project goals with all the team members. There is a major provision of this project. The next one, we need to prepare and waiting for a documentation and of permit insurance for the NEM. It might take a long time, so we ask or consider it will complete within 7 days. The roof site assessment, energy audit and the structure assessment also need to be carried out and make sure get the accurate value. The finance department need to be get the budget and be very ready to purchase the material. We also need to target all the complete of the PV system design layout within the 6 days. And after that, collect all the components of the solar PV system and ensure the procedure of the material. This project has a deadline for 10 days for the completion. For the next one, we may move into the structure, electrical and also the control system installation. We estimate it all will be complete and take us 1 month. After all the task is complete, we need to do a testing and commission on it. Then waiting for the stakeholder feedback and post-installation with the maintenance and monitoring. It will take about 10 days. And finally, the project is all complete milestone.
Hi, my name is KUAN. I would like to present the impact on society and environment of installation 4 kW solar panel for a residential house. Firstly, the impact on society, which is promote the use of renewable energy, reducing dependency on conventional power grid. Next, by promotes energy independence. Lowering its reliance on centralized providers and fostering decentralized energy practice. Decentralized energy practice empower individual and locality to control their energy destiny, creating a more resilient and equitable society. Secondly, the impact on environment, which is lower the carbon footprint, aligning with environmental sustainability goal and address the climate change concern. Last but not least, it will also optimize energy generation and structural sustainability, enhancing resource efficiency and minimizing waste. Thank you for listening. This is my presentation. I would like to pass to my next member.
The conclusion about this project is under the NEM Rakyat program, the installation of the 4 kW rooftop solar PV system is representing a transformative shift towards a sustainable energy practice. And secondly, it is a win-win situation for the homeowner and environment. And lastly, it can create an awareness among the society about the importance of the renewable energy and can encourage the society to know more detail about that. That's all. Thank you.